Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, it's Rutaba. How are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the puppet fish. So let's get begin.
And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's make the eyes and then draw the puppet fish.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a camel, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there, here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Awesome! I take the pink color to color the fish. Are you guys coloring with me? I color the pink body of fish and rest to the purple. Now friends, come and let's color the puppets.
I had a little nut tree, nothing would it bear but a silver nutmeg and a golden pear.
Very good! The fish looks amazing! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye!